here we are in front of my garage, and I'm noticing, well, they're predicting a big old blizzard tonight, 1 to 8 inches. Who knows? I guess we'll have to wait and see what happens. But check this out. If you haven't seen it, it's freezing out here, just so you know. Woo, that's cold. That's how Colorado is. Today it was nice and sunny this morning. Yesterday it was so nice. And tonight it looks like it's going to drop down pretty low. And I don't know what you can see or can't see, but it's Jesus windy and Jesus cold. Crazy. That wraps this up for tonight. Woo, buddy. Chilly. Okay, so for those of you who don't know Colorado, this is how it is. You probably can't see it very well, but, well, I don't know, about a half hour ago it was all nice. Well, not really nice, but it was windy, getting overcast, and now they're predicting 1 inch to 8 inches of snow by morning. And my car is already, looks like, covered in a whole inch, but you probably can't even see it because of the light on the back. Yeah, so this snow is falling like crazy. I just wanted everybody to know this. It's freezing out here. Look at all this snow. This is unbelievable. It's not really that unbelievable, but it is unbelievable. Because yesterday it was like 70. What the heck? Man, crazy weather here. Look at all the cars are already covered. Totally covered. You can't even see them. I can't even see them. You can see a truck down there. But you really can't see off into the distance. A tree. Anyways. Yo, I'm out. It's too cold. Cold. I'm done. Oh my goodness gracious. So this is the backyard. Unreal. Look at that. The deck's already covered in snow. Oh my gosh, it's blowing on my face. It's so cold. Look, my roommate wants to take a picture. It's so cold.
This is intensity.
Crap. Baby, what are you doing up here? So anyway.
Camera.
Whew. This is the backyard. Ah, it's covered in snow, sweetie. Whoa, it's very, very cold out here. You definitely can't come out here. Oh my God, the camera!